Shemai.
Hello.
For those of you that don't already know me, I'm Carolyn Harris.
I'm Jo Stevens, the Shadow Secretary of State for Wales,
the MP for Swansea East and the Deputy Leader of the Welsh Labour Party.
I just wanted to say a quick welcome to Welsh Labour Conference 2022. You're going to have a great time here in Llandudno.
After 2 years of being away, I'm really looking forward to a weekend of talking about the things that really matter, our brilliant Welsh Labour Party and the things that we've already done together.
This weekend will be packed with policy debates, speeches and fringes. I honestly don't know what more a member of Welsh Labour could want.
I'm looking forward to us getting ready to win the local council elections in May, working tooth and nail to return as many Welsh Labour councillors as possible.
So jump in, have a great time, and if you need a hand with anything, just ask one of our stewards.
We're going to have a great time. Hope to see you soon.
This is going to be a great conference and I can't wait to meet you all.